Car won't start, and the check engine light is completely off. That's frustrating and confusing, right? Most drivers expect the check engine light to guide them, but what happens when it doesn't even light up, and the car still refuses to start? In this video, I'll walk you through the real reasons your car won't start, even when the check engine light is off, and exactly how to diagnose it step by step. Stay with me to the end because one of the causes is so simple, yet mechanics make money off it every day. If you're a DIY person or you've ever been stranded with a dead car, smash that like button, and drop a comment below. Let me know your car model and what happened when yours wouldn't start. Question: why the check engine light might be off? First off, let's talk about the check engine light. If it's off, it doesn't mean there's no problem. It simply means your car's computer ECU hasn't detected a fault that triggers a code. But the car can still fail to start for several reasons outside the ECU's radar. Common reasons your car won't start but no cell. 1. Dead battery or poor battery connection. Number 1 on the list, the battery. You might have just enough juice to light up your dashboard but not enough to crank the engine. Check this. Are your lights dim? Does the starter make a clicking sound? Test tip: use a multimeter. If the voltage is under 12.4 V, you might be running on low charge. 2. Faulty starter motor or relay. Next up, the starter motor. If the starter fails, your engine won't turn over, and there may be no check engine light either. Listen for a single click or silence when turning the key. That's a red flag. 3. Bad ignition switch or key fob issue. If you have a push start or even a key ignition, a faulty ignition switch can prevent power from reaching the starter system. No crank, no lights, and no cell. Don't ignore your key fob battery. It might not be sending the proper signal to unlock the immobilizer. 4. Blown fuses or bad relays. You'd be shocked how often a simple fuse or relay is the issue. Check the starter relay, ignition fuse, and fuel pump fuse. They're usually in the fuse box under the hood or dashboard. If a fuse blows, the computer won't see it as an engine fault, so, no check engine light. 5. Fuel pump failure. A dead fuel pump can prevent your engine from getting fuel. And guess what? If it dies silently, you might not get a check engine light. Turn your key to the on position and listen for a low hum near the gas tank. No sound. It might not be pumping fuel. 6. Neutral safety switch for automatics. If you're in an automatic, the neutral safety switch must confirm you're in park or neutral before the car will crank. Try shifting to neutral and starting the car. If it works, your switch may be faulty. 7. Security system or immobilizer issue. This one catches a lot of people off guard. A security system malfunction or immobilizer problem can block engine startup silently. Look for a flashing key icon or security light on your dash. No cell here, but still a big issue. Let's talk about less common but possible causes. Now let's touch on some rare but real problems. 1. Bad crankshaft or camshaft position sensors. These often cause a cell, but sometimes fail without warning. 2. Clogged fuel filter. Can prevent fuel from reaching the engine. 3. ECU failure. In rare cases, the car's computer might not send signals at all. Now what should you do? These are step-by-step troubleshooting guide. Here's a quick process you can follow at home. Step 1. Check for power. Lights on. Horn works. Battery might still be weak. Step 2. Listen for cranking. Silence or single click equals starter or relay issue. Step 3. Scan with an OBD2 tool anyway. Some issues won't trigger a cell but may still store a pending code. Step 4. Check fuses and relays. Use the fuse diagram on your panel cover. Step 5. Try neutral gear or another key fob. Rule out switch and anti-theft problems. Step 6. Listen for fuel pump hum. Turn key to on. No sound equals possible pump failure. Step 7. Test battery voltage. Use a multimeter. Below 12.4 V. Time to recharge or replace. Here's the bottom line. Just because the check engine light is off doesn't mean your car is fine. Many starting issues don't throw codes, especially electrical and mechanical failures. Think of the cell like a thermometer. If it doesn't rise, it doesn't always mean there's no fever. If this video helped you, go ahead and drop a comment with your car model and what worked or didn't work. I reply to every comment. Hit that like button if you learned something, subscribe for more DIY car repair videos, and share this with someone stuck in their driveway right now. And remember, your car speaks a language. You just need to know how to listen.